First, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Sama Evan Aredinata.
Hello, my name is Edward Powelkari.
Halo, name Maria Pianitici.
Hello, and me, Lauren Shanika.
Today we will discuss about a tourist attraction that we got in the previous week. It is Afterlife Experience. Happy watching!
Okay, on this slide we explain of the concept of the afterlife experience, an indoor roller coaster combined with a night market atmosphere, and then around the journey after that. Each visitor will be divided into two roller coaster cars before the ride begins. Every player will go through a scanning process that determine their route. Player categories as good, we start in the heaven tunnel, which has a bring calm and peaceful atmosphere. After that, they will continue to Hill tunnel, which is darker and more intense. Meanwhile, player categories as bad will experience the opposite route, starting from the Hell Tunnel first and then moving to the Heaven Tunnel. The ride is designed to be immersive, using lighting and sound and the visual effect to create a more engaging and emotional experience. And at the end, both cars will return to the starting point. For the location is this attraction is planned to be set at the Town Square Park in Sleman. This place is chosen because it has a large area and is often used for night markets, making it suitable for the concept. It is also located near the main road, Jalan Magelang, so it is easy to access. Visitor can get there using online service station, cars, motorcycle, or bicycle.
Okay, in this slide we will discuss about our target market. The first one is adult or people who 18 years old or older. Why? Because in this ride, a visitor will be served about afterlife experience, which is hell and heaven. As we know, hell contains something terrifying like a torture or anything, so we don't want any children or any teenager feel traumatic with this. The second one is people who enjoy unique and thrilling attraction, because basically it is a roller coaster, and roller coaster will give you a thrilling experience. And the last one, visitor who are curious about life after death. Of course, because our main experience of this ride is about life after death. Next one, we will tell you about the price and facilities. Based on the average price of a roller coaster we usually meet in our real life, we set the price at 50,000 rupiah. But it is not include night market interest fee and parking fee, so it is just only for the ride. And the facilities that will be visitor get, the first one is ticket, of course. The second one is full safety standard. We don't want any tragedy happen, so visitor will be get a seat belt and like bars for their safety. And the next one is on night photos. We agree that every moment is matter, so we will capture every moment when visitor riding this ride. And the last one, experiencing the afterlife. Visitor will be through in immersive room like this picture that will show heaven or hell.
Next, I'm explain for 3 points about preparation, rules, and list of activity. First one about preparation, physically and mentally fit, because the ride involves movement, darkness, and strong effect. Next, attend safety briefing to understand the rules and ensure safety. And the next, follow staff instruction to avoid accidents during the ride. And the last, wear a seat belt to ensure safety during the ride movement. Okay, next point about rules. No running or pushing in the waiting area. No food or drinkings inside the ride. No loose items like a bag, phone, or something like that during the ride. And the last point, visitor must remain seated at all times. Okay, I explained for a last point about list of activities. First one, entrance and ticket checking. Next, a safety briefing session. Next, boarding the train, and the next, live scanning simulation, and the next, entering heaven or hell gate, and the next, exploring heaven or hell experience. Next, transition tunnel, and the next, exploring hell experience, and the next return to starting point.
Okay, thank you for the opportunity. I am Rosa Dalimat Dahi, and I'd like to ask about target age. Given that the target market for this attraction is restricted to choose age 80 and above, how does your group address the reality that diagnose no age if there are teenagers or children under 80 who have already passed away in real life? What are they excluded from this afterlife experience simulation? Does this ride imply that the journey after death is only relevant for adults?
So, Rosa, I know that death can come to everyone, teenager and kids too, and children too. But like what I said, that we exclude children and teenager to riding this ride because I think they are not ready yet to film the experience. One of our room is hell, and hell, as we know, contains something terrifying like a torture or anything. So we don't want any children feel the trauma of this. Okay, so the conclusion for our presentation today, it might be a good idea if the operatronic market can build this idea, because I think the roller coaster we usually meet is just is too basic, so we need a new concept like this. It might be also gain a new and a lot visitor to come night market. So thank you for watching our presentation today, and see you.